Ever tried lifting a car with a cheap jack and felt your heart skip a beat? The right floor jack isn't just convenient, it's safety and peace of mind. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best aluminum floor jacks on Amazon. Perfect for mechanics, DIY car lovers, and garage pros. First up is the Arcan 3-ton aluminum floor jack. This model has become a favorite for both professional mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts. It combines a lightweight aluminum frame with the strength to lift up to 3 tons. Imagine working in your garage, swapping brake pads, and realizing how smooth and fast the lift feels. The dual pump pistons make raising a vehicle quick, saving both time and effort. Construction workers appreciate its durability for on-site use, while garage owners like its compact design that stores neatly when not in use. Despite being aluminum, it feels rock solid under pressure. The low-profile design also makes it easy to get under sports cars or vehicles with less clearance. In aluminum floor jack reviews, Arcan is consistently praised for reliability and safety. If you're looking for one of the best aluminum floor jacks on Amazon, this is a tool that combines power, speed, and portability. Next is the Torin hydraulic aluminum floor jack. Torin has long been known as a go-to brand for affordable lifting tool. This model carries that reputation forward. Rated for 2 tons, it's perfect for smaller cars, light trucks, and everyday garage projects. Picture a weekend mechanic changing oil or rotating tires. This jack provides steady support without breaking your back. Its aluminum and steel construction balances strength with manageable weight, making it easy to move around the shop or driveway. Trade workers appreciate its versatility when handling lighter vehicles on job sites. The handle breaks down for easy storage, which is a plus in tighter garage spaces. In aluminum floor jack reviews, Torin often gets credit for delivering solid value at a budget-friendly price. If you're shopping for the best aluminum floor jack on Amazon that balances affordability and dependable lifting power, Torin's hydraulic option deserves a place on your shortlist. Third on the list is the Yellow Jacket 3-ton aluminum racing jack. Built for speed and precision, this jack is especially popular with automotive enthusiasts who work on performance cars. Imagine being at the track or in your shop, needing to lift a low-profile sports car quickly and safely. The Yellow Jacket delivers with its fast lift design and 3-ton capacity. The aluminum body keeps it lighter than most steel jacks, yet it doesn't compromise strength. Garage owners love the wide saddle and stable base, giving added confidence under heavy loads. For construction and trade workers, it's a dependable option for frequent use in demanding environments. It also features a low-entry design, perfect for vehicles with minimal ground clearance. In aluminum floor jack reviews, this model often gets highlighted for combining racing-style speed with everyday durability. If you're serious about performance and safety, the Yellow Jacket is one of the best aluminum floor jacks on Amazon. Next, we have the Jack Boss 2.5-ton hydraulic aluminum floor jack. This one's designed for everyday users who want reliability without overspending. With a 2.5-ton capacity, it's ideal for sedans, compact SUVs, and light trucks. Imagine a DIY car enthusiast tackling brake work or suspension repairs. This jack makes lifting safe and steady. Its aluminum construction keeps the weight down, making it easier to move around compared to heavy all-steel models. Garage owners like the balance of affordability and strength, while construction workers see it as a dependable option for smaller fleet vehicles. The quick lift design gets your car off the ground with fewer pumps, saving both time and energy. In aluminum floor jack reviews, Jack Boss earns praise for being user-friendly and durable for its size. If you're hunting for the best aluminum floor jack on Amazon that's practical, affordable, and effective for daily jobs, this model hits the sweet spot. Finally, let's talk about the VEVOR aluminum steel racing jack. This hybrid design uses both aluminum and steel, giving it a balance of strength and manageable weight. Rated at 3 tons, it's strong enough for most vehicles mechanics and garage owners work on. Imagine lifting an SUV or work truck and feeling confident the jack can handle it. The low-profile design makes it great for sports cars too. DIY enthusiasts enjoy the racing-style quick lift. It gets the vehicle up faster, so you spend less time pumping and more time working. Trade workers appreciate the solid build, which stands up to regular use on tough job sites. The wide base and stable saddle add safety, which is always a priority in any shop. When checking aluminum floor jack reviews, VEVOR stands out for offering high capacity at a fair price. If you're looking for one of the best aluminum floor jacks on Amazon, this model delivers strength, speed, and value. And there you have it, the top 5 best aluminum floor jacks on Amazon. From budget-friendly picks to racing-grade designs, each jack here offers safety, strength, and convenience. perfect for mechanics, DIY car enthusiasts, and garage owners alike. Choose the jack that fits your needs and lift with confidence.